Ready?
Yep, go ahead.
So when we're in this view, okay, when we're in this view, it says set inverter off, search, on, charge. Basically, what this is it's the equivalent of like auto. So if you wanted to turn the inverter on, and so we'd basically be running off of the batteries, and we're saying that we want to run off the batteries, we would push this set point combination or the red button. Each time you push this, it will advance. There's a little line underneath here. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep.
So that's the selector. So when I go right one, we're going to lose. So now we're going to say, we're telling it that we're going to want to invert. And so this is not listening to me. Well, so we're going to charge and we're going to turn off. So this is the off position for this entire system. Basically, in this position, AC is on standby. So that's the AC from outside. And so in this position, we're just letting it figure out what it wants to do. So it's gonna first start by inverting on the batteries, and then it should switch to charge. So it's charging because it recognizes that it doesn't need to invert because it receives AC. Okay, so that's the position that I would leave it on. Don't bother with the rest of the stuff.
Search. Okay.
And just SRCH and let it do its thing. So menu item lets you toggle through. This is user settings, not user setup. So this is settings menu. So when you're moving through this one, you use these buttons to move through the different views. So the thing that we care about is meters, because in the meters mode, then we select to go into the meters. We see that we're drawing 2 amps AC, 3 amps AC. Our input is 4 amps coming in from outside, 5 amps, and that'll just keep going. These are the loads that are coming through as pass through for AC. This is the battery voltage, so the combined battery voltage of this boat right now, because when we're in the both position, we're taking both the battery sets, making them one unit, and so everything should be getting charged. So I'm going to go down there and confirm that we're seeing this correct voltage. So I don't know if the temp sensor works, because there is one down there, but it looks like it's like barely surviving. There are no temp sensors attached to the batteries, so technically speaking, it's not reading a temp line. This is the voltage of the line through. So it says it's inverting, but it's not actually inverting, because what it's doing is taking the stuff from out there, doing an AC to AC convert or pass through, and then what it's kicking out is 118 volts. Pure sine AC. So what this actually does is it will actually clean up the 110 that you're getting from the dock, and then clean it up and then convert it to whatever, basically to the correct sine wave as well as the correct voltage. And we can change this voltage, but we don't actually need to. So we're getting from the grid between 117, 118 volts. And the generator doesn't exist, so we don't worry about that. The frequency of the electricity is 60 hertz, and that's it. So really all we care about on this screen is battery volts DC actual. And what that represents is the actual voltage of these batteries. So
if that number is low, that means it's not charged.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is acting as your battery monitor.
Got it,
Well,
okay.
like your voltage meter at this point in time. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn your instruments on. Whichever one that is. Where's your instruments? These are all lights.
Radios.
Yeah. Cool. And then we're going to turn this baby on. We're going to turn this baby on. We're going to turn this baby on.
Good, huh?
And the reason why is because I had set this thing up to show me voltage. Page. Where's data? So I'm gonna set a low voltage alarm for, yeah, I'm good with 11 too. And so this thing will scream if it
Okay.
drops to, if it reads that the batteries are getting low. So when you're
Gotcha,
running
okay.
and this thing is working,
Mhm.
if it starts to basically wear down,
Mhm.
and we're actually gonna, I would like to make that a little more conservative. You're a motorboat, not a sailboat, so let's say 11.6.
Okay.
So
that shows a concern that it's not charging.
it basically means that if you're motoring
Mhm.
and this thing goes off,
Mhm.
don't turn the boat off
Okay.
because it means that the alternator's not doing anything.
Gotcha. Perfect.
So that's your like get out of jail alarm type
Yeah,
situation.
that's exactly what I needed.
So what I'm looking for is voltage. So in one of these screens that I had set up, quit. Nope. Change numbers. I don't care about that. I care about voltage. There we go. Alright, so this is reading 11.7, or yeah, 11.7. So however this is getting its voltage is different from this. So this is reading a different battery voltage. So that's dropping, which is what I wanted to see what the hell is going on.
Okay.
And we are in both mode. So how are you getting electricity that is different from the other thing?